Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a must-have grooming kit for men, whether you're a barber or just someone who prefers to manage your own grooming at home. I'm talking about the Royal Clips Hair and Beard Fade Kit 2.0. This is a comprehensive set that includes a clipper, trimmer, and foil shaver, designed to help you achieve professional-grade fades, trims, and shaves with ease. Now, let's take a look at this product and see if it really lives up to its promises. The Royal Clips Hair and Beard Fade Kit 2.0 is aimed at giving you the full grooming experience. The kit includes three main tools: a clipper, a trimmer, and a foil shaver. The clipper and trimmer come with precision blades, designed to give you smooth, seamless trims and fades. The foil shaver features a triple foil design and an all-metal body for a closer, smoother shave, perfect for those tricky areas like the face and neck. One standout feature is its impressive battery life. You get more than 5 hours of uninterrupted use from a single charge. This makes it especially appealing for longer sessions, whether you're doing a quick touch-up or working through a full grooming routine. The kit also comes with 10 limit combs in different sizes, giving you versatility to create everything from sharp fades to precise beard lines. It's a complete set, so whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you've got everything you need for a variety of looks. In my experience, incorporating this kit into my routine was pretty straightforward. The clipper and trimmer both felt comfortable in the hand, offering a solid grip and making it easy to maneuver. The motor is powerful, but not overly noisy, which is a big plus if you're sensitive to sound. The different comb attachments made customizing my trims super easy, and I could really appreciate how the clippers allowed me to fine-tune the fade. As for the foil shaver, it's a game changer for a close shave. Its triple foil design really does work to give you a smooth, almost polished finish. I used it on my neck and jawline, and I was impressed with how close and comfortable the shave was. No nicks, no irritation, just smoothness. But of course, no product is perfect. One thing I noticed was that the clipper could occasionally struggle a bit with thicker hair types, especially when not using the right comb attachment. The foil shaver, while effective, could be slightly more gentle for those with very sensitive skin, as I did feel a little tugging if I pressed too hard. Now let's talk value. The Royal Clips Hair and Beard Fade Kit 2.0 isn't the cheapest option on the market, but it's not overly expensive either when you compare it to other high-end grooming kits. Considering you get three tools that work well, the long battery life, and the wide variety of comb attachments, it seems pretty fair. The performance and the durability of the tools also make it a solid investment, especially if you plan on using it regularly. When you compare it to other grooming kits, this one stands out with its extended battery life and the inclusion of the foil shaver, which is often a separate purchase in other kits. However, if you're just looking for something basic to get by, there are definitely more budget-friendly options out there. Still, if you're someone who values a more professional finish, the price is justified. In terms of build quality, the materials are solid. The clipper, trimmer, and foil shaver all have a sleek, all-metal body that feels sturdy and premium. This gives me confidence that they'll hold up over time, even with frequent use. Finally, customer service. While I haven't had to personally reach out, Royal Clips has a good reputation for their responsive customer support. I've seen positive feedback from users who had questions or concerns, and they typically get a quick resolution. If you're on a tighter budget, there are alternatives like the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom Series or the Wall Clipper that could offer similar functionality for a lower price. However, they might not come with all the bells and whistles like the triple foil design and extended battery life. In conclusion, the Royal Clips Hair and Beard Fade Kit 2.0 is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a comprehensive, professional-grade grooming kit. It has the performance, longevity, and versatility to meet a wide range of grooming needs. The only real drawbacks are the occasional performance hiccups with thicker hair and the slight roughness of the foil shaver for sensitive skin. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.